Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. So my client called me and they told me that the snack machine wasn't accepting bills. So I scheduled an appointment to come out to check and see what was going on. You take the dollar, put it in, comes right out. Put it in. Try one more time. All right, so that right there is what's going on. It will not accept bills. So I'm going to show you guys what to look for to know if your unit is bad or if it's just dirty. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to check the bill holder. This tab up here, you can push back on it, pull the whole holder off. All right, right here is the area where the bill actually comes from the outside and comes up, and then it's put into the magazine. You're going to check to see if you see anything trapped or anything just stuck in this area. All right, after that, you're going to go down to the bottom part. Up under here, there's a little button right here. Let's see if I can get a picture of it. It's a little button right there. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to press the button in, squeeze, and pull this part out right here. All right, here and here are two sensors. What you want to do is you want to take like a cleaning rag and you want to clean this area real good. Clean this area good, and then you're going to get like a can of compressed air. You're going to blow all of this area out. Just blow it out. Make sure there's no dust and stuff in here. Same with this. You're going to blow this part off here. Blow everything off. Everything. Just try your best to get it as clean as possible. Then you're going to take it, slide it back in. Take your bill magazine, snap it back down, just like that. And then you're going to go on the outside and you're going to check to see if it's accepting bills again. Now, if you put a new bill in and it's still doing the same thing, sometimes it'll go all the way in and it'll come all the way back out. Just like that, the unit is bad. It needs to be serviced or replaced, one of the two. So that right there will tell you if your unit is bad. Once you clean everything, take everything apart, blow all the dirt out of it, clean all of the sensors and things off, and it's still doing this right here, it's bad. I knew that mine was bad, so I went on and purchased a replacement for it. This right here is the replacement, and what we're going to do is we're going to install this bad boy. All right guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the power. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the magazine. Just push back on this, pull the whole magazine off. You have 4 9mm nuts you want to take off. You have 1, 2, let's see, this one back here, that's 3, not the one in the middle, just the one on the side, that's 3, and then it's 1 in there, which is 4. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off just to get everything out of my way. And you can actually reach that nut that's in there through this gap here, but I'm going to take this off. All right, it makes it easier. All right, so you have 3 Phillip heads. You have 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Take all of those out first. All right, here's the 3 screws. This whole piece should move out of your way now. Now you have clear access to that nut. So we're going to go ahead and take those off. All right, so we got the 4 nuts off here, and this whole unit will just come directly out. Look. See that? Whole thing. comes out. Now, we're just gonna disconnect that connector there and pull this whole thing out. Like I said, this right here is the new one. So we're just gonna take it out of the plastic. All right, so this is the new one. That one right there is the old one. Now you're gonna do the same thing with this one. You're gonna take this part off here, put that to the side, and you're gonna take this portion off right here with the 3 Phillips head here. Then we're gonna put it back in, put the nuts back on this part, which go here, here. This is why I told you don't take the middle one off. But here, 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 and then the one that's in between there. All right, so we're gonna take this off and then we're gonna bolt this on. All right, so before I put this in, I'm gonna make that connection, that white connection there, back to this connector here. All right, I almost got everything in. I've tightened the 2 at the bottom down here. And this one's on, and the one in there is on, but I haven't tightened them down yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them down. Just like that, so now it's in there. All right, now we're gonna put the 3 Phillips head back in, and that just goes up just like that. Just right there, just line up the holes and put them in. All right, so we got everything put in, and all we have to do is put the cartridge back on. Just like this. And that's it. Then we're gonna cut the power back on. Give it a second. And there you go. Once that light comes on and it's solid, everything's connected correctly. Now let's check it and see if it works. All right, let's check it out. First dollar. Let's see, second dollar. And let's try this third dollar. Okay, so at the max you can only put $2 in there. Let's see, let's select something. A1. It gives me the $1 back. So it's working, because that only cost $1. So let's try it again. I'm gonna try it again. That's good. Let's try A3. It gives you the $1 back, and the chip comes out. So it's working. And that right there is how you change the bill acceptor in your snack machine. And it also tells you if your bill acceptor is bad and needs servicing. And guys, if you take a look in my description area, I have a link in there to show you where I got the bill acceptor from. All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out. Hey, guys, and if you're into graphic tees, hoodies, or sweatshirts, check out my store. All you have to do is click on the store tab in my YouTube. This is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.